Hi, I'm Donna Guest, the Lazy Scrapbooker, and welcome to another Tuesday tip.
I'm taking my older Facebook Lives and editing them here for a YouTube playlist. This one was recorded live back in 2022 on National Taco Day. And instead of showing how to use a tool like I'd planned that day, making a taco just seemed like the right thing to do. This is a super cute embellishment for all your fun Taco Tuesdays. Let's get started.
Let me show you how I did this, and you're going to want to do this yourself. It's quite fun. It just gets you back into that little craftiness of scrapbooking that you loved so much when you first started. At least I did. And you're going to want to make more food items too for your other pages. So here's what I used. I've got a piece of yellow. This is actually called honey mustard, but any yellow will work. Cardstock. And we're going to make our tortilla. And this is going to make you hungry if you haven't already eaten. So I'm just going to use the middle circle from my custom cutting system, and I just chose the green blade for no other reason than it was there. There's no right or wrong to this. So I'm going to make a nice circle. I could also use the circle cutter for this if I wanted to, because you know I love that tool and it makes the best circles ever. So I've got my tortilla here. Now we're going to use, I could just hand fold this, or I can use the scoring blade. And honestly, I may just hand fold this because it gives it a little bit of depth, I think. The scoring blade is such a perfect fold. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to just fold this by hand. And I don't want to go to the middle. I want to go just enough right here where I can see what's inside. Okay, there we go. So now I've got the shell. And so here's what I did to make these little toppings. I pulled some scraps here. And I just pulled a scrap of green paper. I think this might be marsh green. I'm not sure. It was one of those papers that we didn't have long. And I used the autumn leaves border punch. Now, I'm just going to do this really haphazardly. Just punch and then move over. Make sure it kind of matches. And then move over. Okay, that's enough. All right, so I'll scoop that out of the way. And then I'm going to cut off any little stems. I didn't do this before, but I think I will now. Because these aren't supposed to look like leaves. It's going to look like lettuce. Okay, I'm going to cut it in half here. And then I'm going to use my repositionable tape runner and just kind of attach it to the back of this shell, so where some of it's peeping out. And when you do it this way, it does not look like leaves at all. It looks really more like cilantro. All right, I'm going to move this and see I just ripped that off. This is the most careless scrapbooking ever, but we're just making a little embellishment. So pretty cute. Now, beef. So I'm going to use some brown cardstock here, and really I'm just going to cut some pieces. That should be enough. And let's see. We're going to make it at least the length of the taco. So there's a little bit sticking out, and I want to use just scissors to cut kind of a rounded edge there so it looks more realistic, because we want this to look completely real. I'm joking. All right, and so I'm going to put that there. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little bit more. It's where if you are stressed about anything serious, this is what you need to do right here, is make a taco. It certainly makes you smile because it's pretty fun to do this. And now I'm going to do some red. And I just did this. I did it with a trimmer earlier today, but then when I got to this part, I used scissors. And so they're very uneven, which is when you're dicing tomatoes, they're not even. They're not all perfect little squares. I know mine aren't. I know that's usually the goal, but mine are never. So let me just put some adhesive on all of this. And we'll just put these wherever we want, but I want to make sure they show up. We're not going to really see what's inside the taco. Okay, cute. Then, I didn't do this the first time, but let's try a few little sprinkles of cheese. This may be too much trouble to do, but we'll see if this looks right. I probably should have cut them thinner. This is some really giant chunks of cheese that may resemble carrots a little more, but I'm going to try it. This would be so perfect for a page where you're having Taco Tuesday together. And then to give it a little bit of height, to look like it's got some depth, I did use foam squares. I'm going to use 3 this time, one in the middle. It seemed to need that. And so the foam squares, they're double-sided, so I just peel them off the little sheet here and put them on. Now I have to peel off the little backing that's on each one of them. And now attach that. And it's got a little bit of depth to it. Now we have 2. I hope you enjoyed this Tuesday tip. Thanks for watching. Want to see more? Check out my playlist called Tuesday Tips.